welcome to Tennis One inside Almond Garden Estate. And as you can see, I am currently standing in a beautiful piece of property here. Now this land is measuring 700 square meters per plot and it is currently selling for 70 million naira. Now this estate is amazing. It is in a secure part of Centenary city. As you can see, this plot of land is in a well-paved road. There is electricity, there is water supply. It is also in a secure and serene environment. So if you have been looking to build your dream home here in Centenary City that you and your kids would enjoy and feel safe in, Tennis One is the best location for you. As you can see, I am standing in this amazing property and all this is just for you. It is in a well-developed and well-built-up environment that is very secure and safe for you. Make sure you don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to build your luxury dream home. Now 700 square meters is a massive plot of land. You can build a 5-bedroom duplex with a swimming pool. So go ahead and call me right now on the number that is displayed on your screen. Let me help you secure this amazing piece of property here in Almond Garden Estate. See you on the next one and happy investing. Bye.